Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make these DIY flower candle holders. I've been seeing them all over Pinterest and I thought they were really pretty, so I wanted to try to recreate them for my channel. As usual, we will start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need artificial flowers, some plaster, a bucket that you don't care about because you will probably want to just throw it away once you're finished, some tea light candles, gloves, and a pair of scissors. First, we're just going to take the flowers apart. I'm cutting off the bottom leaves just because I don't really like how they look. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the stems. I am leaving a couple inches on the bottom just so I have something to hold onto when we go to dip it into the plaster. I'm going to do all of my flowers because I wanted to try a few different methods to see what works best with using the plaster, being that I have never used plaster before. Next up, we are just going to put the candle inside to see how much we need to cut to make space for it. So I'm just going to flip open the middle part and then just begin cutting it little by little until I like how it looks with the candle inside. Now for the plaster mixture, I am going to first pour in the entire carton of the plaster, and then I'm going to fill half of the carton with water and mix that in thoroughly. You do want it to be more on the liquidy side, that way it's not too thick when we go to dip our flowers in, but it does have directions on the back. So if you just follow the directions, you will end up with a perfect consistency. Now I'm going to dip my flowers in. And you want to really spin around the flower and move it up and down. That way the plaster gets in between all of the petals. And then you want to shake it really well to get all of the thick pieces of plaster off. I did also hit it on the walls and that really helped to get all of the thickness out. And now I'm just going to open up the petals and stick the candle inside. That way it hardens with a perfect spot for the candle. I took 2 pieces of wood. I just stuck the stem right in between the 2 pieces. And now I'm just repeating the process on the rest of my flowers. Once I let them dry, I went ahead and cut the bottom off. That way it had a flat surface to sit on. And unfortunately, I didn't realize I was out of the frame for this part. So all I did was cut all of the excess off the bottom. And that is all for this DIY. It was super easy to make and I love how they look. I put them on these little mirrored candle holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to show y'all that the candle holders are not flammable. I held the lighter on there for a couple minutes. I also touched it right after and it wasn't hot or anything like that. So this is safe for candles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.